Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add new page in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to insert a new blank page on your Google document, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add a new blank page in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs in your computer web browser. Once you are in Google Docs, open the document where you want to add a new page or create a new document. This document currently has 3 pages. To add a new blank page, place your mouse cursor at the point where you want to insert the new page. I want to insert a new blank page after the first page. Now, look at the menu at the top of the page and click on Insert. A drop-down menu appears. In the drop-down menu, hover over Break. From the right side, click on Page Break. This will insert a new page at the cursor position. Now, this document contains 4 pages. By following these simple steps, you can easily add new pages within your Google Docs documents whenever needed.